I'd like to introduce to you the Huaqin 50 kW open flame generator set that is beside me. Dongfeng Comes engine with 4 cylinder combustion, electric spin control, and pressurized intercooling settings. For copper brushless generator, good conductivity and corrosion resistance. No need to replace the carbon brush, easy maintenance. For protection control system to ensure the safer and stable operation of the unit with automatic alarm shutdown function. For topics of generator sets, welcome to Pay Attention to Huaqin Power.